Welcome to Trojan on Solana. Let's dive into the bot and get you set for your first trade. Step 1. Fund your wallet with Sol. Keep in mind, transfers from exchanges can take a couple minutes, so give it a few and tap refresh. If you sent USDT or USDC by mistake, it's all right, but you'll still need a little Sol for gas to swap. Okay, step 2, let's grab a contract address. For now, we're going to stay away from using tickers. There are copycat tokens out there, and a wrong address could be a honeypot. So go pull a contract address from official posts, project channels, or tools like Deck Screener. Remember, we're just learning the ropes, no need to rush. On to step 3, paste the address and send it to the bot. The buy panel opens for you. From here, choose Swap for a market buy. Pick a preset amount of Sol or type your own, then hit Buy. The Buy Success notification is your green light. Now, you've bought the token, but how do you see your position? Simple. Click Positions from the main menu or use the Positions command. You'll get a clean panel showing you the contract, price, market cap, your entry, token balance, cost, and P&L in USD and Sol. Ready to sell? Tap the token name or select a preset sell amount from the menu. You can also use the sell command and select the token from the list. So now we're on the sell menu, refresh the price, wait for your moment, then hit sell. Boom, your sell confirmation and a P&L card pops up. Simple. You've nailed this one, but we're just getting started. Limit orders with stop loss and take profit, DCA, copy trading, sniping new launches in the trenches, watch lists, and fully customizable settings. A full arsenal of pro tools built for Solana await. Questions? Our Telegram support chat is staffed around the clock. Trade smart, stay safe, and enjoy the ride.